HeartX is a global Web3 art community and marketplace driven by artists, collectors, and art lovers, with the purpose of fostering emerging artists, helping redefine the value of art by community consensus, and bringing investment value to art creators and lovers worldwide. With all these features available to all HeartX users, you can be part of this art community revolutionizing project. Using the zk-Sync mainnet that is located on the Ethereum Layer 2 chain. To make it easy for beginners newly introduced to the blockchain world, HeartX simplifies all blockchain-related steps and assigns you a crypto wallet with a private key when creating an account. Or you can enter the private key of an existing wallet address to connect your wallet with the platform. Verify as an artist if you'd like to sell your work, or as a builder if you're an art influencer and will like to join us in spreading our enthusiasm to the world. For our non-artist friends, just remember to bind your mail and social media and increase your reward amount, as I will explain in the back. Artists, upload your work by tapping on this little cross and reveal them to the market by clicking sell and confirming. Everyone has a chance to earn HeartX daily reward HNX by becoming an art connoisseur in this world. With a simple swipe, like choosing a date, you help redefine art as part of the community's consensus. You can earn HNX as a reward for the daily vote, and be proud of yourself when the art you bought reaches the art beauty consensus. As a connoisseur and collector, get more rewards and privileges by leveling up. Enjoy extra rewarded HNX, reductions on the exchange fee, and level 4 boost unlock as you level up as one. Collectors receive the privileges to personalize their spaces and more networking options, like unlock the GIF avatar feature, view the HeartX rate of artwork daily, join the HeartX Top Collectors Club, and more. Get ready! HeartX offers a chance for everyone to earn even more by releasing the boost system and helping optimists and art fans that are able to spot the best works to invest with. HNX. Get rewarded HTX as the art gets to the top of the rank by reaching the most HeartX index weekly. And collectors, you get a boost commission with HNX for owning the best art. Start to vote, boost, and trade artworks at HeartX.